Wow! Oh my god!
Have you ever seen this really cool lighting effect on Pinterest or like in a music video where there's a strip of light and then they have color around the light and then you have the model in the center? I've always seen it, but I never really knew how to create this effect. And one day I was just waiting for a client to get ready for a shoot, and I was on Instagram and I saw this really dope photo by Carl Shakur, and it was the effect once again. And I was sitting there and I was like, you know what, I have some time, let me actually try to figure out how to do this. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this with continuous lights only. And you only need 2 lights for this. So the first thing you need to do is obviously create that strip of light. What I used was the Aputure LS60 with the mini spotlight zoom attachment, and I had to back it up pretty far so I was able to have a longer strip that went from the floor and then all the way up the wall. So boom, then I have my strip of light. And then I just needed an RGB light to create the color around the strip. And so I used the Amaran 300C to create that effect. And then all I needed was my model. And so I had Debbie step directly into the strip of light, further enough to give her some distance from the backdrop, and then allowed a really cool like harsh shadow on the light itself and then also on the wall. And this is what we got.